After eating breakfast and leaving the house, people's vitality begins to dwindle around the noon. Even after having lunch in the office, the power to work starts getting weak. The main reason for this is sedentary lifestyle and lack of nutrients. That's why it is important to include some essential foods in your diet, about which we are going to tell you in this video. Dry fruits. Dry fruits are rich in magnesium, zinc, manganese, iron, and antioxidants. You can eat it when you feel hungry in the office. For this, keep a handful of dry fruits in your lunchbox. Whole grains. By consuming whole grains like barley, brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, the stomach remains full for a longer period of time. This reduces the chances of getting weight also. Along with this, immunity and digestive system are also strengthened. Last but not the least, fruits and vegetables. Always include water-rich fruits and green leafy vegetables in your lunch. This will remove lack of water from your body. This will also help with better physical and mental development. Also, you will remain energetic throughout the day in the office. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.